Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to be making my own Jicama green mango slaw. If you're wondering what that squeaking noise is in the background, my cat is playing with one of those toys that make noise. So this is Jicama. Very easy to find now. You know, Whole Foods has it. I've seen it at Stop and Shop. The Latin markets always have it. Great source of vitamin C. It will bother you if you have a problem with FODMAPs. It's got a yummy, crunchy texture, like a juicy, crunchy texture. It's good. Love it. Eat it raw. And this is a green mango. Now, sometimes it can be hard to find mangoes when they're green. This is basically unripe, but sometimes they are ripe when they're green. The way I'm able to tell is just by like looking around, and there's like no hint of pink whatsoever, and it's really firm, like it's super firm. Why would I want to use an unripe mango? I don't want it to be sweet. I want it to be tart. A lot of Indian dishes use green mango. They call it amchur, and they powder it and they put it in curry, and it gives it a nice sour tart taste. It's good. It's really good, especially when you pair it with the sweetness of the Jicama, which isn't overly sweet, but it's a really nice pairing. So I'm just going to make a really simple slaw with these, and let's get to it. Now, the Jicama is, it's got a super thick skin, so you're not probably going to have much luck with like a carrot peeler. Look how thick that is. It's like leather. Save your vegetable peeler on this one. This is easier to do with a knife. Now for the mango. Use your carrot peeler for this one. Now if you have a dehydrator, you could take this, dehydrate it in thin slices, grind it up in a coffee grinder, and you'd have yourself some dried mango powder, or you can just buy it. This is from My Spice Sage, and it's they call it mango or amchur powder. I'm just gonna slice this all up into nice little pieces. So here we have all of our chopped Jicama and mango. Now of course I'm gonna add some lime to this. And that's as easy as grabbing a little jar out of the fridge. When I used up the rest, I chop another lime immediately. It's always just there. I'm going to use 3 wedges of lime, because this is a nice juicy one. Mix it up nice, because that's going to help stop the Jicama from browning. And we're just going to wait a day to let these flavors meld. I'm not going to add salt. I'm not going to add anything else. The way I would serve this would be like this. You don't feel like cutting something? Who needs a knife? It's avocado. Just one more thing we need. Cilantro. This is freeze-dried cilantro. So basically it's just this perfect little, it's got the tart slash sweet flavor from the mango and the crispiness and almost starchiness of the Jicama with the creamy avocado and the cilantro and some lime juice. It's obviously very Latin American inspired. It's a really rich source of vitamin C. You can put this on fish, you know. I'm probably gonna put this, I'm definitely gonna put this on my salmon. So that's it. Quick and simple and easy. Nothing crazy here, but it's really delicious and it's healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, because I post new videos every Thursday and sometimes bonuses on Sunday, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Until then, be healthy.